Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Figma designs responsive. We will dive into the fundamental techniques that allow your designs to look great on any device, from a large desktop monitor to a small mobile phone. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of how to build flexible layouts that automatically adjust, saving you countless hours of manual resizing and ensuring a consistent user experience across all platforms. Constraints are your first line of defense for responsiveness. They dictate how elements stretch or stay fixed when their parent frame changes size. For example, setting an element to left and right will make it stretch horizontally. Then, auto layout takes it a step further, allowing you to create dynamic lists, buttons, and cards that automatically adjust their spacing and order. Mastering these two features is absolutely crucial for building adaptable interfaces. To truly handle diverse screen sizes, you'll want to think about breakpoints. These are specific widths where your design needs to fundamentally change, not just stretch. Figma's component variants are perfect for this. You can create one component, like a navigation bar, and then make separate variants for its mobile, tablet, and desktop versions. This keeps your design system organized and makes switching between layouts incredibly efficient. After implementing your responsive features, thorough testing is non-negotiable. Use Figma's prototype mode to drag and resize your frames, observing how elements behave at different widths. A great strategy is to design mobile first, ensuring your core content is accessible on the smallest screens, then expand for larger ones. Remember to keep your layers and components well-named and organized. This will save you and your team significant time in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.